welcome back to my channel. I think it's literally about to thunderstorm, so you guys might hear some crazy noises, but we're just gonna film this anyway. I have a small little home decor haul for you guys. Everything is from Walmart. Today's video is sponsored by Walmart, and I am sharing a little sneak peek of my next haul, which is a Walmart fall haul. I'm gonna go ahead and link this Shacket that I'm wearing because just look at it. It is so cute. It's so good. This is from Time and True. It's oversized corduroy shirt jacket. It's amazing. Yeah, got it online. I don't think it's in stores yet, but I'm gonna link it. It's just a little sneak peek of what is coming soon. Very soon. I am just waiting on one more delivery, but I have some home decor finds that I wanted to share with you, and I'm actually really excited about it. I have some stuff that I put outside already, so I'll just show you a clip of those things that I got. But the first two things that I picked up, I wanted to kind of like redecorate my front porch just a little bit with fall coming. Like, I just want to make it look nice and ready for, you know, the pumpkins that are going to be out there soon. So I picked up these two lanterns. These are from Better Homes and Gardens. I love their lanterns. These ones, I got the largest size. Like, I wanted something to be like a very big, I don't know, like a big statement kind of thing outside next to these boat plants. But they are so good. I have to buy batteries for them, so I can't show you what they look like lit up. I'll probably put like a video of that, like, you know, how they look on my Like to Know It. So if you're not following me there, keep up with that. My dog is in here with me today filming. So I bought two of these. They look so amazing, super good quality, and they are like real glass. But yeah, I saw them in the store and they were so pretty. I had to get them, and I really love the black. I also have some red ones, like really big red ones that I bought for like Christmas time, but I wanted to have ones that I could kind of like have outside like all year round, and I feel like these would even work for Christmas. Just the black and white can kind of like go with any season, I feel like. I'm starting to hear rain. The next thing that I picked up actually for outside, also this cute doormat just to put outside. I didn't have one for a while. I don't know why, but now I've got another one, and it just kind of those couple little things just brought everything together, and it looks nice, and I can't wait to throw some pumpkins out there soon. So love how that looks. Some other things that I picked up, I have everything right here behind me, and I got two of these because once getting a blanket like this, like, I don't want any other kind of blanket. Like, truly, I have a blanket like this in every part of my house. I have one that stays in my bed that I sleep with at night. I have one that's on the couch. I have one for my son that's on the couch. I have one in here in my filming room for when I am sitting at my desk. They are everywhere. If I travel, they go with me. So Walmart has brought some of these fuzzy blankets where they just feel like a nice giant fuzzy sock, and if you know, you know, they're so good. These are definitely like I don't know, look and feel for less. I think these were about $20. I'll have the screenshots of everything I got on here so you can see how much everything was, but I just picked up this beige one. I got this one for my bedroom because it's just like a nice plain beige color, and that kind of fits with the theme of my room. So I'm gonna put this one in there. And then I got this gray leopard. Oh my gosh, it's kind of got like a little bit, I mean, this like blue gray right here has like a bluish tint, and my living room is like blue and gray. So I picked this up to put out on the couch out there. Just, I don't know, really pretty. So they're so extremely soft. They really feel like, you know, the other blanket brand, if you know what I mean. They are so good. I cannot wait. I'm so excited for these. So such a steal, such a good price for those. The next thing I picked up, I actually got this for my room because I have like a storage basket everywhere else but my room, and since I kind of redecorated that recently, I wanted to get this little storage basket. I found this in store. I think it's online as well. This is Better Homes and Gardens, just a water hyacinth storage basket. I guess they also have like a square one, but I just got this one. It says it's a boat shaped. So this is the one that I picked up. It actually looks really cute with my little table that I have in the back here, but this is gonna go in my room to hold like extra throw pillows and stuff like that I don't keep on the bed at all times. So another thing, I actually should have shown you guys this first, but it's so cute. look at this. Does it remind you of anything? It's way cheaper than the other cups that are similar style to this. And it's kind of like a nice like matte beige. It's so pretty, really good size. I love this. I cannot wait. I haven't used it yet. I've been holding off because I didn't want to show you guys like a used cup. So I've been waiting, and yeah, I love this. So pretty. They have other colors, really great price, and it feels really good quality. And just the feel of this, it's kind of like a matte, like soft. Oh, I love it. So go pick these up. I think they're online as well. I will link it if I can, but definitely they had a bunch in stores. So if you haven't seen them yet, go pick these up. They're so good. Oh, I'm obsessed. The other thing that I bought, I have two more things. I got two rugs, and this one is just like a smaller rug. I'm gonna have to show you guys what this looks when I set it up, but how it looks when I set it up. But it is this little Persian rug, and just the colors, oh my gosh, this is so stunning. This I got to put in my bathroom because I got a big rug kind of similar to this, way different colors though, for my bedroom. I just redecorated the bedroom recently, and I just feel like this is gonna fit the bathroom, like the theme that I'm going for a little bit more. So I picked this up. I also love that it has like this blue because I have like the vanity in the bathroom is like a nice blue color. So I feel like this is gonna look really good. We'll see how that looks. And then for my hallway, I actually got a runner because the other thing that I picked up is this rug. I have been seeing these like forever, and I've really been wanting one. I just don't know if like my kid and dogs will destroy this. So I haven't bought one, but I was like, actually, I'll just try like the runner version and see how it holds up in my house. It's not, I think this was $40, so it's not like I'm losing a lot of money if they completely destroy it, but I had to try it because I just think this is such a beautiful design for a rug. This is from my Texas house. I think she is a blogger, so that's also really cool. She has her own line at Walmart, but this is just a runner in the color Dahlia Gray, 24 inches wide by 84 inches long. So I am going to be putting this in my hallway, and yeah, I mean, come on, this is so stunning. Like literally. So I'm gonna go decorate. I'm gonna add those clips so you guys will already see what everything looks like, but super excited. So glad to be partnering with Walmart once again. Let me know what you guys think, how everything looks, and I hope it looks good. Future me will know what everything looks like, but I haven't decorated yet, obviously. So hopefully everything came out nice. It's thundering. Hopefully when I film everything that I'm gonna show, like setting up, it's not too dark because it's getting really dark and rainy. But yeah, thank you to Walmart for partnering with me on today's video. Go check out this corduroy. Go check out my Like to Know It. I've already started linking some stuff that I have for my next haul. I'm literally so excited. So yeah, just so excited for the fall season to come. And I actually am filming another video today. Crazy, but we have like a huge announcement that I am freaking out for. So that's also going to be filmed at some point today. Will probably be uploaded in like the next day or two, and then my Walmart haul will come after that, my fashion Walmart haul at least. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this little home decor video, and I will see you guys in the next one super soon. And yeah, thank you guys. I love you all so much.